2025 tax refund delays. In today's video, we have a behind the scenes look of why the IRS is still processing 2024 tax returns and prior returns, why you are still waiting on your 2025 tax refund. Let's go ahead and get started. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Now, this information is being shared from the National Taxpayer Advocate report to Congress. Now, according to this report, the IRS staffing reduced. The IT staffing was reduced by 27%, and taxpayer services staffing was reduced by 22%, and that is around 9,000 employees. Now, the taxpayer service staffing are the ones that are processing your tax returns. In addition to reduced staffing, the IRS employees have to manually transcribe data from paper file tax returns digit by digit into the IRS system. The IRS has allowed taxpayers to upload responses through their digital tool, but the tool does not have a way to process responses using automation. As a result of that, it generally must print taxpayer responses and route them to IRS employees for processing as if they had submitted the response on paper. So even though the IRS has the service where you can upload your additional information automatically, those documents unfortunately are not processed using automation. The system must print your additional documents, and someone must manually review them and update that information to your tax return. And it gets worse. The report also states that the IRS currently stores taxpayer data on about 60 distinct case management systems that generally cannot communicate with each other. As a result, when you call the IRS to discuss an issue with your account, the IRS employee may have to put you on hold multiple times to launch different systems to ultimately try and access these systems in order to answer your questions, to give you accurate and correct information in regards to the status of your tax return. This is why there are so many of you still waiting on your 2025 tax refunds, your 2024 tax refunds, 2023 tax refunds, because the IRS simply does not have the staff or the upgraded technology to automate the process for faster completion of your tax returns. Make sure to share with us if you are still waiting on your 2025 tax refund. If you have already received your tax refund, how long did you have to wait? And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2025 tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.